Good afternoon, all of you. In the morning
Good afternoon, sir.
very good afternoon. In the morning lecture, you have see the concept of application of differential equation. In that we have see so quick revision on that. Differential derivative, slope, angle between the two curves or two lines is if theta is equal to 0, then we say that m1 equal to m2, both are parallel to each other. Then if theta is equal to pi by 2, then we are write down that m1 m2 is equal to -1 is both curve or both slope is perpendicular to each other. Then we start the orthogonal trajectory. In that we will see that orthogonal trajectory. The first term, there are the two ways to find the family of orthogonal trajectory. First way, if the function is Cartesian form, and second way as polar form. So Cartesian form, y is equal to f of x. Cartesian form, y is equal to f of x, and polar form r equal to f of theta. Polar form r equal to f of theta. So in the Cartesian form, the process is same. So what is the step? First of all, form a differential equation. Second step, after the forming the differential equation, we are just replace the dy by dx is equal to minus dx by dy. Third step, very important, this second step. Third step, solve the given differential equation by using either variable separable or homogeneous or so on, as you wish. Rest polar form, same. First of all, form a differential equation. Try to remove the arbitrary constant. After forming the differential equation, what is the second step? The second step is replace dr by dθ is equal to, very important, just change is minus d theta by dr, yes, but change is r square. What is the change? Is r square, that is we are change. We just here add minus r square dθ by dr. Third step is same, solve the differential equation. So what is the first step? You have formed a differential equation. Second step, replace dy by dx equal to minus dx by dy. And third step, solve the given differential equation. What is the change of Cartesian coordinate system and polar coordinate system? What is change? Just we have changed the dr by dθ is equal to what? Minus r square dθ by dr. Minus r square dθ by dr. That is the change. Okay. So in the morning lecture, you will see that the Cartesian coordinate, we are write down the theory behind this. Now we see the example on this Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. So write on the example. Clear everyone? How we solve this example? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is how to find the family of orthogonal trajectory. So we have find first. Find the orthogonal trajectory of we write on the better way next line, xy is equal to a. Xy is equal to a. Okay. So solution. So let assume that xy equal to a. So how many arbitrary constant is there? How many arbitrary constant is there? How many? One constant. A. So you are lucky. You are all are lucky. Just we are asked only one arbitrary constant. दोन arbitrary constants example check तो आपल्याला विचारणार नाहीये. Okay. So xy equal to a. So just what is the process? First of all, form a differential equation, try to remove that a. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. We get x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of a is 0. So already we have tried to remove, so we get the equation x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. डायरेक्टली आपल्याला a रिमूव्ह झाला. काय करायची गरज पडली का रे? काय करायची गरज पडली का?
नाही.
So we got directly now what is the next step? Very important step, replace. ही स्टेप मॅक्झिमम लोक विसरणार आहे, मॅक्झिमम जण ही चुकणार आहे. रिप्लेस dy by dx by minus dx by dy. This step is very important. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So we got that minus x dx by dy plus y equal to 0. Now we solve this differential equation. How we solve this differential equation? Which method applicable here? Which method?
Variable separable.
Variable separable. Very good. So we just separate x dx plus y dy is equal to 0. So which is variable separable form. So just we integrate integration minus x dx plus integration y dy is equal to c. So we got minus x square by 2 plus y square by 2 is equal to c, or what is the next answer?
Y square minus x square is equal to c.
Okay, y square minus x square is equal to 2c or c, or x square minus y square is equal to c. There is no change. c मध्ये काही करा, काही change फरक पडत नाही. So this is 3 type of answer. आता मी 3 answer का दिले? You don't know option मध्ये काय आहे ते. Clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So write down. पुढे जातो. Okay, or so give the next example. Second one, same question is same. Find the orthogonal trajectory family. इथे लिहू शकतात that the missing here, which is require family of orthogonal trajectory, which is require family of orthogonal trajectory. Second example, 2x square plus y square is equal to a square. Sorry, a is equal to ax. Solution. 2x square plus y square is equal to ax. So just we got the equation 2x square plus y square is equal to ax. Give as equation number 1, just differentiate what derivative. So differentiate 1 with respect to x, we get 4x 2y dy by dx is equal to a. But in that equation a is as it is. So काय करावं लागेल? So by 1 we get, we write, what do you get? By 1 what do you get? By 1 what do you get?
2x square plus y square divided by x.
A is equal to 2x square plus y square divided by x. So equation 2 becomes so 4x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus y square divided by x. What is the next step?
Put dy by dx is equal to
dy by dx equal to minus dx by dy. ह्याला मी वाटलं असतं वेगळ्या कलर मध्ये लिहितो, लक्षात घ्या. ही मॅक्झिमम लोक विसरणारच, कारण की ह्याच्यामुळे तुमचं आन्सर चुकतं. dy by dx equal to minus dx by dy. ही स्टेप जर कार्टेशियन असेल तर ही करायचं, आणि पोलर असेल तर काय सांगेल पुढे. dr by deta is equal to minus r square deta by dr. हे रिप्लेस करायचं. So just simplification, we got the answer 4x plus 2y minus dx by dy is equal to 2x square plus y square divided by x. Now just simplification. Yes. What do you get the answer when simplification? Yes. काय करू शकतात रे? Hello. How we solve this example? Whether we solve this by using variable separable, LD तो होतच नाही. Obviously LD होत नाही. We choose only variable separable is not possible because x square plus y square. Yes. What about the next?
Exact.
Exact. होमोजिनियस राहिले की मी काय सांगितलं प्रोसेस तुम्हाला? पहिल्यांदा LD चेक करायचं, दुसऱ्यांदा होमोजिनियस चेक करायचं, तिसऱ्यांदा नॉन होमोजिनियस चेक करायचं, आणि शेवटी राहिलं तर एक्झॅक्ट चेक करायचं. चला एक्झाम्पल एक्झॅक्टने सॉल्व्ह करायचं की
तर होमोजिनियस सुटेल की?
हा होमोजिनियस सुटणारच की. We go to the step by step. So we just got that answer is 2y dx by dy, that is a minus, is equal to 2x square plus y square. We write on that minus 4x in that side and multiply by x. We got that minus 4x square. Take LCM is x. So just simplification, we got that minus 2x square plus y square divided by x. Now just simplification, we got the answer dy by dx equal to dy by dx. हे तिकडे घेऊन जा, हा x इकडे आणा, म्हणजे minus 2xy divided by minus 2x square plus y square, or 2xy divided by 2x square minus y square. Yes. Yes, how we solve?
Put y equal to vx.
Okay, okay. We will check the condition of exactness. Exactness ची जर कंडिशन चेक केली तर येत नाही बरं का एक्झाम्पल. हे एक्झॅक्ट येणार नाहीये. So we just solve by using exact differential equation. So for exact differential equation, we just put that y is equal to vx. So we got that dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So we got the equation v plus x dv by dx plus 2x square v divided by 2x square plus v square x square. Just we are check again. Y equal to vx टाकला. इथं काना 2x square v. इथं y is equal to vx टाकला v square x square. Just common out the common term. What is the remaining? x dv by dx is equal to 2v divided by 2 plus v square minus v. Just simplification, we got that 2v minus v cube divided by 2 plus v square. So just simplification, we got the answer 2v will get cancelled minus v cube divided by 2 plus v square. Now simplification, we got the 2 plus v square divided by v cube dv plus 1 upon x dx. Try to understand adjustment. Try to understand adjustment. Okay. 2 plus v square v cube इकडे आला. How इकडे आला ना काय होणार minus 1 upon x dx येणार. Minus 1 upon x dx. त्याला तिकडे नेलं. So which is variable separable form. Just we integrate. Yes, how you solve the integration? Yes. How you solve the integration?
सर 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं की f dash of x divided by f of x ऍडजस्ट होते.
नाही येणार ना.
तर डायरेक्ट छेद
जर-
सेपरेट
छेद
अरे डायरेक्ट कसं सेपरेट करावं लागेल ना रे.
छेद सेपरेट केल्यावर येते सर.
सेपरेट केलं येतं ना, डायरेक्ट 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करून येत नाही रे. 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर तुम्हाला सेपरेट करावंच लागणार आहे. पवन आलं लक्षात.
हा येस सर.
3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तरी तुम्हाला सेपरेट करावं लागणार ना. 2 by v cube dv plus 1 upon v dv. Am I right? Plus integration 1 upon x dx is equal to c. So 2 by v cube, what is the derivative of 2? Sorry, what is the integration of 2 by v cube? 1 upon v square. Try to understand. That is a minus sign. Hello. 2
Yes,
get
sir.
cancelled. Plus log v plus log x is equal to c. Okay. So just combine v is equal to what? V is equal to what?
y by
Y
x.
by x. Means we got that x square, y square. म्हटलं तर तुम्हाला इथं लॉग घेतला तर चालेल बरं का. लॉग सी घेतला तर चालेल. इथे तुमचं असं होईल log of bx is equal to log c. Now just combine the all log. So all log vx c is equal to x square plus y square. X square plus y square or just the term v is equal to what? Y by x.
Y by
So log of yc is equal to x square upon y square. Got the answer. Clear? Hello.
yes sir.
सर
Just we got the answer because actually homogeneous मध्ये आलं म्हणून त्याचं थोडंसं मोठं झालं. पण एक्झॅक्टली सॉल्व्ह करायला गेलं तर एक्झॅक्ट हे ऍक्च्युअली एक्झॅक्ट नाही, हे नॉन एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन आहे. थोडंसं अवघड जाईल. अवघड म्हणण्यापेक्षा काय होणार, लेंथ वाढेल, दुसरं काय होत नसतं.
सर इथं लास्टच्या स्टेपला मायनस आहे ना, तिकडं प्लस घेतले
पुढे
आपण.
इथे
लास्ट हा सर पुढच्या पेज
सर.
तिकडं प्लस घेतले, मायनस पाहिजे.
इथे
येस सर.
we take minus sign common from the denominator ना,
नाही सर, पुढच्या पेज वर घेताना प्लस घेतले.
असं म्हणताय काय? मग सगळं चुकलं असेल की हो. येस 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 एव्हरीथिंग इज रॉंग ऑन दॅट वन. रॉंग म्हणजे फक्त काय होणार, चेंज होणार, फक्त प्लसचा फरक पडतो. Okay, everything is changed now. 2 minus v square, 2x square minus 2 minus v square. त्यानंतर इथे किती minus 2v plus v cube. 2 minus v square plus v cube divided by 2 minus v square. Now just change. Yes, now we change this term also. 2 minus v square divided by v cube minus 1 upon x, or better we can add on this, is equal to 1 upon x dx. This is variable separable form. फक्त थोडंसं चेंज होतं. हा वाय स्क्वेअर हा vx आहे. वाय लॉग वाय हा फक्त पोझिशन बदलणार, राईटचं लेफ्ट होणार फक्त, बाकी आन्सर मध्ये फारसा फरक होणार नाहीये. So we got that answer, integration 2 minus v square divided by v cube dv is equal to log x plus log c. Is 2 by v cube minus 1 upon v dv is equal to log xc. We got that 1 upon minus, that is also minus 1 upon v square is minus log v log xc. So we got just answer is log v is y by x. So log of v xc हा इकडे आणला minus x square by y square. We just got that log of v is equal to y by x yc minus x square by y square, or x square plus y square log yc is equal to 0. झालं पुढे जाऊ. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज. हॅलो, नेक्स्ट पेजला जाऊ का?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, these are the some few example for your hard work. So just within, I think, half an hour, we have solved this example. The formation of differential equation, then we have just replace dy by dx equal to minus dx by dy. We got the required answer. झालंय का पुढे द्यायचं? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके, झालं सगळ्यांचं लिहून? पुढच्या पेजला जाऊ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now we see the second type. What is second type? Polar coordinate. Polar coordinate r equal to f of theta. The process is same. First step, write down equation of family of a curve. Family of a curve r equal to f of theta with a is a parameter. A is a parameter. What is second step? Form a differential equation. Form a differential equation. Differentiate equation with respect to theta. Third step, replace dr by deta is equal to minus r squared deta by dr and solve the equation. We get require family of orthogonal trajectory. We get require family of orthogonal trajectory. First solve. We start with very simple one. Solve r equal to a theta. Solution r equal to a theta. Give us equation number 1. Just we differentiate r with respect to theta. We get dr by deta is equal to a. The rate of theta is 1. So by 1 we got, by 1 we get, what do we get? A is equal to r by theta. Just we have put here, we got dr by deta is equal to r upon theta. Solution is the काढायचं नाही, आपल्याला replace करायचं. What is the next step? Replace dr by deta is equal to minus r square deta by dr. So this we got minus r square deta by dr r by theta. Just simplification, what do you get the answer? Yes, we got the answer is minus 1 upon theta deta is equal to 1 upon r dr. So that's we simplify 1 upon r dr plus 1 upon theta deta is equal to 0, which is variable separable form.
सर नुसतं थीटा 1 अपॉन कसं येईल?
Yeah, right. Is minus theta 1 upon r dr plus integration theta deta is equal to 0. This is integration log r plus theta square by 2 is equal to, suppose here we are add log c. So just modification, we got the answer. Log r minus log c is equal to theta square by 2. So log of r by c is equal to minus theta square by 2. So what is r by c? R by c is e raised to minus theta square by 2. So r is equal to c times e raised to minus theta square by 2. हे मॉडिफाय का करतो माहिती की मी? ही पुढची स्टेप, तुमचा आन्सर इथंच भेटलं. तर मॉडिफाय काय करतो? ऑप्शन मध्ये माहित नाही कुठलं ऑप्शन असेल ते. ओके, तर युजिंग द MCQ. ओके, so just write down. Clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
झालं मित्रांनो, समजलंय? The second type is
Yes.
polar coordinate. We see the one more example. Head on. तर झालंय का सगळ्यांचं? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right on the next second example. R is equal to A cos theta. R is equal to A cos theta. Okay. Solution. R is equal to A cos theta. Give us equation number 1. Differentiate dr by theta is equal to A times derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. So from 1, we get A is equal to R upon cos theta. So we got the dr by theta is equal to minus R by cos theta into sin theta. Okay. So just we got, now replace dr by theta is equal to what? Minus R sin theta upon cos theta. So replace dr by theta is equal to minus R square theta by dr. So we got minus R square theta by dr minus R sin theta upon cos theta. Just simplification, we got the answer. Minus minus get cancelled. We have got the answer is cos theta upon sin theta theta is equal to 1 upon R dr, which is variable separable. What is the integration? What is the integration? What is the integration? Log of sin theta is equal to log R, okay, plus log C. So we got the answer. This implies sin theta is equal to RC or R equal to C sin theta. R equal to C sin theta. This is the answer. Okay, C इकडे ऍड करा किंवा इकडे ऍड करा, काय फरक पडतोय? We got the same answer. The third one. Now just we have make some complication. R square is equal to A cos 2 theta. So R square is equal to A cos 2 theta. 1. Differentiate 2R dr by theta is equal to minus 2A sin 2 theta is 2R dr by theta is equal to A is nothing but minus 2R square minus 2R square sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. This we replace 2 get cancel, RR get cancel. We got the dr by theta is equal to minus R sin 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. We just replace minus R square theta by dr minus R sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. The simplification, we got the cos 2 theta divided by sine 2 theta d theta is equal to or plus okay it's equal to 1 upon r dr. So just we integrate 1 upon r dr is equal to integration, just simplification. We just add because the derivative of sine 2 theta is what? 2 multiply and divided by 2 theta. So we got the log r is equal to 1 by 2 log sine 2 theta plus log c. So just we got the answer, or multiply by 2 on both sides. 2 log r is equal to log of sine 2 theta plus log c. The simplification, we got the answer is simplification, we got the answer is r square is equal to c sine 2 theta. R square is equal to c sine 2 theta.
सर तुम्ही तिथे ते 2 cos 2 theta लिहिलंय.
2
2
इथे
cos 2 theta.
इथे
हा
what is the derivative of sine 2 theta?
हा हा समज.
Okay.
सर
बोला.
ती लॉग आर आणि लॉग साइन 2 ते म्हणजे जागा चेंज झाल्यावर चालतंय ना.
c चे ना.
लॉग आर आहे का नाही लास्टला,
हा
ते लॉग साइनच्या साइन 2 थिटाच्या जागी म्हणजे झालं चालतंय ना.
मला नाही कळालं.
म्हणजे ती इंटिग्रेशन 1 अपॉन आर आहे का नाही
हा
त्याच्या एलएच साइडला.
म्हणजे इथे असं असं म्हणता तुम्ही 2 cos 2 theta divided by sine 2 theta
इज
1 by
इक्वल
2
टू
is equal to integration 1 upon r dr.
हा
काय
असं हो.
प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. आपला प्रश्न फक्त c चा राहिला.
हा
इकडे ऍड करा किंवा इकडे ऍड करा. मी तुम्हाला हे जे आन्सर दिलेत, हे जे आन्सर दिले सगळे, हे सगळे आन्सर तुम्हाला हे ऑप्शन मधले आन्सर दिलेले आहेत. आलं लक्षात. ऑप्शन मध्ये असे आन्सर असणार आहेत. ऑप्शन मध्ये असे आन्सर नाहीये. लॉग ऑफ व्हॉट मे बी c sin 2 theta is equal to r सॉरी लॉग ऑफ sin 2 theta म्हणजे sin 2 theta is equal to c r square असे ऑप्शन नसणार त्या ठिकाणी. ऑप्शन कुठले असणार इथे. त्याच्यामुळे मी पोझिशन चेंज केली. आलं लक्षात.
उत्तर चुकत नाही ना सर.
उत्तर नाही चुकत.
ओके सर ओके.
मी तुम्हाला ते ऑप्शन साठी पुढचे एमसीक्यू
हा.
साठी मी चेंज केले ते.
ओके सर.
Okay. C is not important actually. We have put either LHS or either RHS. आपल्याला जसं वाटतं तसं पुट करायचं आहे C ला. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 आणि 8 मधलं कुठलं सॉल्व्ह करून देऊ? 7 आणि 8 मधलं कुठलं सॉल्व्ह करून देऊ? हॅलो. 7 आणि 8 मधलं कुठलं सॉल्व्ह करून देऊ तुम्हाला?
आठवं द्या सर, आठवं.
बरं ओके, आठवत देतो. चालेल. राईट डाऊन दिस. After completion of this, we have solved the 8th one. सातव्यामध्ये पण ऍडजस्टमेंट आहे बरं का. सातव्यामध्ये पण ऍडजस्टमेंट आहे. वी आर जस्ट पुट दॅट द व्हॅल्यू 1 minus cos theta and all these things. हे ऍडजस्टमेंट आहे. तुमच्या एका पोझिशनला 7 नंबरचं एक्झाम्पल, एकाच पोझिशनला असं काहीतरी येईल. 1/r dr by deta is equal to I think sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला sin theta आणि 1 minus cos theta ऍडजस्ट करावं लागेल. 1 minus cos theta ऍडजस्ट करावं लागेल तुम्हाला 2 cos square theta by 2 आणि sin ला 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. त्याच्यानुसार तुम्हाला ते cot theta by 2 होईल. हे जस्ट वन ऍडजस्टमेंट आहे. तेवढी ऍडजस्टमेंट केली तर आन्सर येतं. ओके. झालंय का रे? Yes, झालंय का? पुढे जायचं?
येस सर.
येस सर.
So just take the 8th example. 8 नंबरचा आणि 7 नंबरचं सेमच आहे जवळपास. तुम्हाला सांगतो कसं सेम आहे. जेव्हा सॉल्व्ह होईल सगळं एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला कळेलच. R equal to 2a divided by 1 plus cos theta. चेंज येते 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 प्लस साइन थिटा अशा प्रकारे एक्झाम्पल विचारू शकतात. मल्टिपल आतापर्यंत आपण सगळे एक्झाम्पल कॉसचेच घेतलेत. सेम एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही साइनचे सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. ओके, सो जस्ट वी आर सॉल्व दिस एक्झाम्पल solution. So r equal to 2a divided by 1 plus cos theta. Yes. How we take the derivative of this term? Derivative कसं घ्यायचं? u upon v rule थोडंसं अवघड जाईल, मग काय करा, मल्टिप्लाय फॉर्म मध्ये घ्या. Yes, that is simple one now. 2a. What is differentiate? What derivative? Differentiate r with respect to theta. We get what derivative? R into derivative of 1 plus cos theta. 1's derivative 0 minus derivative of cos theta with respect to theta is sin theta plus 1 plus cos theta into derivative of r dr by deta is equal to derivative of 2 is 0. Just simplification. 1 plus cos theta into dr by deta is equal to minus इकडे आल्यावर काय होणार plus r sin theta. So just replace, put dr by deta. ही टर्म इथे येणार आहे तुमचं 1 upon r dr by deta is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. आणि ही टर्म आणि ह्या एक्झाम्पलची टर्म बरोबर का 7 ची सेम येणार आहे. सेम, काहीच फरक नाही, फक्त चेंज करणार या ठिकाणी. instead of this plus we are change here minus. आलं लक्षात? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So dr by deta is equal to minus r square deta by dr. So just replace. We got that 1 plus cos theta minus r square deta by dr is equal to r sin theta. Now just separate the variable and we got the required answer. Separate the variable. We get 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta into theta is equal to minus 1 upon r dr. So just simplification. What is simplification? Yes, which is variable separable form. Which is variable separable form. We got 1 upon r dr. इकडे आणूया, प्लस मध्ये होईल, प्लस 1 plus cos theta d sin theta theta is equal to 0. Yes. How we solve this integration?
सर साइन ला सेपरेट करा.
Okay. Okay. Another way. Another way. This is one way. Another way.
1 plus cos theta
1
या
plus
जागी
cos
2
theta
cos
च्या
square
जागी.
theta by
Without
2
separation, we
ठेवता
directly
येतं.
solve na.
Sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2.
Without separation, we are directly solve na.
Yes, sir.
That's easy for us.
Directly होते.
I think so. Huh?
Directly सोपं आहे, sir.
हा, डायरेक्टली सोपं आहे ना, ते सांगतो. डायरेक्टली म्हणजे कुठलं?
1 plus cos theta च्या जागी इथे ठेवायचं.
1 plus cos theta is equal to what? 2 cos square.
Theta by 2.
So you got that log r integration 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2
Cos theta by 2.
cos theta by 2. पुढे काय होणार माहिती का, जर सेपरेट जर केलं तर 1 upon sin ला काय करावं लागेल, कोसेक करावं लागेल. So integration of cosec in terms of log and integration of log cos upon sin in terms of log sin, and त्याला कंबाईन करावं लागेल. The one of the same, काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही त्याला कंबाईन जरी केलं तर. So we got the log r. Just simplification, 2 get cancel, 1 cos get cancel, cos upon sin is cot theta by 2 deta. What is the integration of cot theta? What is the integration of cot theta by 2?
log of sin theta
Sin
by
theta
2
by 2.
into 1 half
Sin
divided
theta
by
2
1 half
divided by
1 half.
derivative of theta by 2
1/2.
is 1/2 is equal to log c. So just simplification, we got the log r is equal to 1/2 तिकडे जाणार म्हणजे 2 log sin theta by 2. Just combine all log and everything. We got the log of r into sin square theta by 2 is equal to log c. Take antilog, we got that r sin square theta by 2 is equal to c. This implies r equal to c upon sin square theta by 2, but but sin square theta by 2 is equal to what? Yes.
Cosec
Ah. What is
1
sin-
upon
हा नाही 1 minus मित्रांनो
1 minus cos square theta by 2.
divided by 2 ना बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? R is equal to 2c upon 1 minus cos theta
1 minus cos theta.
or R equal to c upon 1 minus cos theta. This is the answer. पहा ह्याची फॅमिली जी येते ती सेम येते प्लसचा वर मायनस झाला बाकी काय फरक नाहीये आलं लक्षात.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रॅजेक्टरी. हे 3 सॉल्व्ह होऊ शकतात ना रे 1 2 3 4 हे तर सॉल्व्ह करून दिले जवळपास. हे 4 सॉल्व्ह होऊ शकतो तुम्हाला.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके
हो, sir.
यस हॅलो so this is the end of orthogonal trajectory. Next lecture we will see the next application, that is Newton's law of cooling. Already we are taught this Newton's law of cooling at the time of our introductory lecture. Same concept we will see again. We are just at that time we have solved just one example. Now we solve that more than one example. Okay, 3 or 4 example we will see. And what is the example MCQ behind it? Newton's law of cooling we will see. And last application of electric engineering. Okay, so these are the some few applications we have seen. So today we stop here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you very much.